is going to be of my very first clean with me. Ready? Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be my very first clean with me. So get ready, turn on the video, turn the music up, and get ready to clean with me. And I don't know if I'm going to start in the kitchen or somewhere else, but here we go. Alright, so I'm going to head down into our basement and get this laundry started. So today I'm going to be using Gain and my favorite Snuggle. I don't remember what it's called, but it smells so good. It's like a tropical scent. I also use this new Lysol disinfectant, and you just put it right in where you would put your bleach, and it disinfects all the clothes. Moving on, let's get these dishes done before I have to do dinner. Please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and you can see more videos from me and my family. Alright? Alright, now I'm just cleaning up the dining room so that way we can all sit down here and have our dinner. This was from the kids earlier. They were doing some crafts with some paint and some of their schoolwork and books. up some of these leftovers. Someone's going to be going into Ryan's lunch. The rest I'm going to be just putting into the fridge. Drying up the dishes from earlier and from after dinner, and that'll be it for the dishes for tonight. Moving on to the next day, I had to split this into 2 parts. Put the kids' toothpaste away. Little Anne's toys right there.
Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. It smells so good. What do you guys like to use? Let me know in the comments.
Alright guys, so that was my clean with me. Please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and you can see more videos from me and my family. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye.